Today we are going to be using the law of sines to solve the following triangle. The triangle given gives us two angles and one side. So to start off first, we're going to have to find the third angle inside of the triangle. And if you recall, the three angles added up inside of a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So to solve for the third angle, you add these two numbers together and subtract from 180. So doing that, 111 plus 22 equals to 133. And then you're going to take 180 and subtract that, and you get 47. So our third angle is 47 degrees. Given that, we have all the information to solve the triangle. Well, if you recall, the law of sines is the sine of big A over little a equals to the sine of big B over little b equals to the sine of big C over little c. And for this problem, we're going to manipulate this law and change it around just a little bit so that it makes life a little bit easier. All we're going to do is swap these two right here. In doing that, we have little a over the sine of big A equals to little b over the sine of big B equals to little c over the sine of big C. Now, since we have the angle for big C and the side for big C, we can use that to solve for the other two sides we need. So, given little c is 8.6 over the sine of big C is 47 degrees, equals to, we'll solve for this side first, which is A, so we know that would be x over big A is 22 degrees, so it would be the sine of 22 degrees. And now all you do is isolate the x to solve for it. So you would multiply the sine of 22 degrees to each side. Them signs will cancel, so then you multiply by the sine of 22. And then that makes x equal to 4.4. Okay, now we have this side right here. So x equals to 4.4. So now we have two sides. To solve for the rest of the triangle, all we have to do is use the same equation and plug the numbers in. So we're going to use a still. So it's going to be little a, which is 8.6, over big A, which is the sine of 47 degrees, equals to, we're solving for side B right here, which is going to be little b. So we can call that x. And then that's going to be the sine of 111 degrees because big B is 111 degrees. Now you just isolate the x to solve for it. So you multiply sine of 111 degrees by sine of 111 degrees to get them two to cancel. And then you just move that over here to multiply it by sine of 111 degrees. And the side we're looking for equals to 11. So now, giving all the information needed to know, we just solve the triangle. So this angle is 111, this one is 22 degrees, and this one is 47 degrees. Now, all this work right here gets us to what we need. So we know this side is 8.6, we know this side is 4.4, and this side right here is 11. And that is how you use the law of sines to solve for a triangle.